Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore slider controls in WooCommerce product pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore slider controls in WooCommerce product pages, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Search for and install any necessary slider plugins if you don't have one already. After installation, activate the plugin. Next, go to the Appearance section and select Customize. In the Customizer, locate the section for WooCommerce or Product Page Settings. Check for options related to product image settings or slider controls. Enable the slider settings if you find them. If your theme does not have built-in slider options, you'll need to configure the plugin settings. Go back to the Plugins section and click on Settings for your slider plugin. Adjust the settings according to your design preference for product images. Save any changes made in the plugin settings. Return to your product pages and update any products you want to apply the slider controls to. Review your changes by visiting the product page on the front end of your site. Make adjustments as necessary until the slider functions as desired. Always test the sliders on various devices for compatibility. Keep your plugins in WooCommerce updated to ensure optimal performance. By following these steps, you should have restored the slider controls on your WooCommerce product pages effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.